So today I'm gonna drill a hole through this work table or countertop piece. It's basically a piece of furniture that we use to where we actually do our repairs. So as you can see, this is our laser machine there, and all you got to do is buy a kit that I will show you where to get it. And it's basically going to be one of these guys that you put in there, and then it'll be flush with your workspace area. You can then later put one of these if you want to run some wires or extension cords or whatever. Or if you're doing refurbishing and you're trying to run tubes down to your compressor and your machines that are providing the vacuum, your vacuum pump, you can run the tubes through here and just leave it like that. But if you're going to run, let's say, a connector cord, it easily will fit through there, as you can see. And then once you've already fished it through, you can use this top machine, this top piece here, and it will just show the bare cable. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We'll show you the piece that we have to make the hole, and then we'll show you the finished product. So as you can see here, there's really nothing to it. We've already done the hole. Just make sure you get all that sawdust out of there. Get our piece in there. See, it just falls right into place. No worries. So in this particular illustration, we have all these wires running through it. We put our little cap there. You have all kinds of connectors. You have your USB-C, you have your lightning, you have your wireless charger, and you can run other wires or extensions or whatever. And if you're doing refurbishing, like I said, you can run your tubes through there. You can probably put one here and then maybe a couple feet that way, put another one, and have more wires done that way, so it's a little bit nice and neat and tucked. And they're not going to go anywhere if they're nice and tight in there. They're just going to, you can actually push them down a little bit, and if you got enough in there, they're not going to go anywhere. And you can just have them whenever you need them. If you have a counter and at the front of your shop and you want to have like a POS system, you can also use this, so you don't have wires all over the place, and it helps keep everything nice and neat.